Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. And now something you already knew. Disposable and retrievable drones, the future of air power. In today's rapidly evolving battlefield, one technology is rewriting the rules of warfare: the drone. But not all drones are alike. Some are designed to be retrievable, reusable for multiple missions. Others are disposable, cheap and expendable, built to deliver results once and never return. Together, these two categories represent the future of military and civilian unmanned systems. Retrievable drones are the workhorses, built with durability, sensors, and advanced communication systems. They return after missions to be rearmed and redeployed. These are the drones used for surveillance, reconnaissance, strike missions, and logistics support. They are investments, high-tech assets designed to be flown again and again, like the US MQ-9 Reaper or Turkish Bayraktar TB2. By contrast, disposable drones are designed for one-way trips. They are low-cost, often built with modular or even commercial components, and meant to overwhelm enemy defenses or deliver precision strikes without concern for recovery. Sometimes called loitering munitions or kamikaze drones, they blur the line between missile and aircraft. Systems like the Israeli Harop or the US Switchblade have proven devastating in modern conflicts. Geostrategically, this dual approach reflects the changing logic of warfare. Disposable drones provide mass, swarms, and low-cost lethality, perfect for saturating defenses or striking high-value targets. Retrievable drones, on the other hand, offer persistence, adaptability, and intelligence gathering, making them central to long-term operations, even outside the battlefield. These concepts are expanding. Disposable drones are being studied for emergency resupply and disaster zones where loss is acceptable if lives are saved. Retrievable drones are being integrated into naval fleets, border patrols, and commercial delivery systems, becoming vital tools of both security and commerce. Together, disposable and retrievable drones mark a revolution in air power. They shift the question from what can one aircraft do to how many and how cheaply can they be deployed. The drone age is not just about machines, it is about strategy, cost, and survivability. In the wars of the future, victory may depend not only on the drones that return home, but on those designed never to return at all. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Goodbye. Bear witness to the race for knowledge. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.